If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Coinbase, it's important to act quickly as transactions can finalize rapidly. Follow these steps to attempt to cancel your transaction. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your credentials on the Coinbase website or app. Step 2. Navigate to your transactions. Once logged in, go to the Portfolio or Assets section. From there, find the Transactions tab to view your recent activity. Step 3. Identify a pending transaction. Look for the transaction that is currently pending. It will typically be marked as pending or in progress. Click on it to view more details. Step 4. Attempt to cancel the transaction. If the option is available, you will see a cancel button next to the pending transaction. Click on this button to initiate the cancellation process. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm that you want to cancel the transaction. Make sure to check for any notifications or messages indicating the cancellation was successful. If you follow these steps promptly, you may be able to cancel your pending transaction. Always keep an eye on your transactions to manage them effectively.